So the first step is to bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Cook linguine in boiling water until nearly tender, 6 to 8 minutes, and you drain. Melt 2 tablespoons butter with 2 tablespoons olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Cook and stir shallots, garlic, and red pepper flakes in the hot butter and oil until shallots are translucent. That takes 3 to 4 minutes. Season shrimp with kosher salt and black pepper. Add to the skillet and cook until pink, stirring occasionally for 2 to 3 minutes. Remove shrimp from skillet and keep warm. Pour white wine and lemon juice into skillet and bring to a boil while scraping the brown bits of the food off the bottom of the skillet with a wooden spoon. Melt 2 tablespoons butter in skillet. Stir 2 tablespoons olive oil into butter mixture and bring to a simmer. Toss pasta, shrimp, and parsley in the butter mixture until coated. Season with salt and black pepper. Grate some fresh lemon zest as finishing touch. Drizzle with 1 teaspoon olive oil to serve. The end. Enjoy!